Hi writers, it's so nice to see you again. So today we are going to transfer from our flea map to writing our booklet. So I already actually finished my booklet, and I think we've had plenty of practice making sure that we have a strong opening, making sure that we're using transition words, making sure that we have a strong closing, and making sure that we have at least 2 to 3 examples for each reason that we're providing for our opinion. Today, I want to focus on adding adjectives to our writing. So do you remember what an adjective is? We learned about it yesterday. That's right, an adjective is a describing word. So we use adjectives in our writing to bring our writing, to add color and to bring life to our writing. Okay, so we're just gonna go over what adjectives are and what it does to our writing. Okay, so an adjective is a describing word. It describes a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So let's go over some sentences and see how. First we're going to go over some questions you can ask yourself, and then answering these questions will help you come up with adjectives for your writing. You can ask yourself, what size? What color is the ball? How many tacos did I eat? How does it look? How does it taste? How does that taco taste? How does it feel? What shape is it? How does it behave? Okay, so these are just a few questions you can ask yourself to start thinking about adjectives you can add to your writing. So let's go over an example. I kicked the ball. What word could we describe in this sentence? Which is the noun? That's right, ball. We can describe what the ball looks like by what color it is, or we could even describe the texture of the ball. So I said, I kicked the green ball. Now your reader can imagine you kicking a green ball instead of just any ball. Let's look at the next example. I ate ice cream. What kind of adjectives can we add to add more details to the sentence? We could add what flavor ice cream we ate. We could add how many ice cream we ate. I ate delicious chocolate ice cream. So now my reader knows 2 more things about this ice cream. It knows that I think it's delicious, and they also know that I ate chocolate ice cream. My cat was eating. What could I describe? I could describe what my cat looks like. I could also describe what my cat was eating. My huge cat was eating. So now your reader is going to imagine this fat cat eating food. I swam in the ocean. What noun can we describe in this sentence? That's right, we can describe what the ocean looks like, what it sounds like, what it tastes like. I swam in the salty blue ocean. And if you've ever swam in the ocean before, you know that the ocean has salt water. So if it gets up your nose, it kind of burns a little bit, or if you taste it, it tastes a little bit salty. Okay, so today, I want you to try adding adjectives to your own writing to really bring your writing to life. So in the next video, you're going to help me reread my writing, and we're going to try to think of adjectives we can add to my writing. Okay, I hope you'll join me. All right, writers, so I've already finished transferring from my flea map to my booklet, and now I want you to help me figure out what adjectives can I add in my writing to make it or to add more color to my writing. Okay, so let's go ahead and reread this together. Do you have a pet at home? Is it the perfect pet? I believe cats make the perfect pet. Keep reading to learn about my reasons. To start, cats are really clean pets. For examples, I caught another mistake. I shouldn't have an S right here. For example, cats are always licking themselves. This is how they bathe themselves. Additionally, my cat would stay inside the house. That way, my cat can't go outside and roll around in the dirt. So I see 2 things already that I can add more details to. I can explain what my cat would look like, and I could also explain the dirt. What does dirt look like? what does it feel like? Okay, so I'm gonna say orange cat because in my picture, my cat was orange, so I'm gonna add that. Remember, I use this thing, it's called a caret, to add the description word, my adjective, orange. What color is my cat? It's orange. That way, my cat can't go outside and roll around in the dirt. I don't really like the way dirt smells, so I'm gonna write the word smelly just to add that description word to describe dirt. That way, my cat can't go outside and roll around in the smelly dirt. So now, hopefully my readers are imagining and smelling that smelly dirt. It's really bringing our writing to life. All right, the next page. Second, cats are potty trained. Cats learn how to go pee and poop in a litter box. In fact, you would never have to take a cat outside to use the restroom. Cats just go on their own. Isn't that convenient? Additionally, a litter box would also save you money because you don't have to buy poop bags that dogs need. Okay, so I see one area where I can add an adjective to add more color to my writing. Additionally, a litter box would also save you money. How much money would it help me save? Let's add that detail. If you had a cat, it would use a litter box, so that would also save you a lot of money. And also, by using the word a lot, you're trying to convince your readers, right? And so they're thinking to themselves, I can save a lot of money? Okay, that sounds better. Okay. Let's go on to my last page. Finally, cats are independent pets. For example, if you need to go somewhere for a weekend, you can leave your cat at home. As long as it has plenty of water and food, it will be okay. Also, you wouldn't even have to hire a babysitter. In other words, cats are able to entertain themselves. Cats usually take care of themselves and play on their own too. Overall, I think cats make the perfect pet. I wonder, instead of adding an adjective, if I can add another sentence to describe what cats can play on their own. I remember in my picture, I had a picture of yarn. So I'm going to add that extra detail to my writing. I'm going to say that cats can play with yarn and even toy mice. Okay, so that extra sentence adds another detail of what a pet cat could play with. Okay, all right, writers, so as you are writing today, make sure you go back and think of those describing words that you can add to your reading so it can add color to your writing. All right, good luck.